Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Machine learning techniques for image classification.
And see one more example. I'm going to explain a reinforcement learning. So there is a problem called see, there is a fire, there is a bucket full of water, and the right side there is a fire. So environment and intelligent agent is a robot. Now, according to the instructions, a robot agent perform the actions. So agent is observing right side fire, left side full of bucket with full of water. So as a user, you are giving instructions to the intelligent agent. First observe, select the action using policy. So third step action. Suppose it went right side and the agent hands up. So which 50 points we are reducing. Then fourth step, get reward or penalty. If you are giving penalty for this intelligent group. So update policy, learning step. Fire is equal to that. Then next time provide. I'm giving next. Then intelligent agent iterate until an optimal policy is formed. So this intelligent agent taking good step after punishment. That's why it is called a reinforcement learning. My dear participants, this is the best example for reinforcement learning. These are the steps we use to follow. Then these are the machine learning approaches like algorithms, supervised learning. We have regression and classification. Unsupervised learning, we are having clustering, association rule mining, dimensionality reduction, and ensemble learning, we are having stacking, bagging, boosting, natural network, neural networks and deep learning, we are having convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network, generative adversarial network, and autoencoders, perceptron, etc. Then reinforcement learning, we are having algorithms like Q-learning, DQN, SARSA, genetic algorithm, A3C. So these are the machine learning approaches. See, predictive analytics strategy is nothing but it determines the likelihood of future outcomes using techniques like data mining, extracting meaningful interested pattern from the huge volume of data. Then statistics, data modeling, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Put simply, predictive analytics interprets an organization's historical data to make predictions about the future. See the predictive analytics strategy, reprocessing, Euclidean data set. So we are extracting feature selection, modeling, simplified version of the reality, 5-fold cross validation. Then telecommunication available data set, feature selection, modeling, 5-fold cross validation. Michigan plus telecommunication data set. They are doing feature selection, modeling, training, and validation. This is about the predictive analytics strategy. You see, in traditional approaches, the parameter values are fixed based on the statistical calculations. In machine learning, the parameter values are fixed in the process of training the model. So model is the simplified version of the reality. You see traditional programming or machine learning. So data program we are taking as a input to the computer, it gives the machine learning data and output we are giving to the computer, it gives the model. Model means simplified version of the reality. We see traditional model, prediction, data and the handcrafted model. You are giving to the computer, it gives the results. Machine learning, we are taking sample data, expected results, new data, and gives input to the computer, it gives the model and preference. This is about the traditional approaches versus machine learning. See, traditional approaches, the parameter values are fixed based on the statistical calculation. Machine learning, the parameter values are fixed. The cost training the model. So for training purpose, 75% we are using images, 25% we are using for test. Types of machine learning algorithms, see supervised learning. We are having classification under that, fraud detection, email spam detection, diagnostics, image classification. Then regression, risk assessment, score prediction. Unsupervised learning, deep dimensionality detection. We are using text mining, face recognition, big data visualization, image recognition, etc. Clustering, biology, city planning, targeted marketing, etc. Reinforcement learning. We are using gaming, finance sector, manufacturing, inventory management. Reinforcement, robot navigation, etc. The 4 different types of machine learning algorithms we are using: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement. Semi-supervised learning is based on the combination of supervised and unsupervised learning, it becomes semi-supervised learning. So these are the algorithms, machine learning. Take regression, linear polynomial, classification, k nearest neighbor, trees, logistic regression, naive Bayes, support vector machine. Busy clustering comes under unsupervised learning, support vector dimension, principal component analysis, k means list. Association analytics, a priori algorithm, frequent pattern growth algorithm, hidden Markov model, HMD. So that is reinforcement learning. There are 2 types, continuous and discrete category. Then machine learning algorithms. You see supervised learning, data with label, classification and regression. If we take classification example, email spam detection, speech recognition. Regression, stock market prediction and rainfall prediction. In the unsupervised learning, data without the label, that is called clustering. Examples like identifying fake news, document analysis, then association rule mining, a priori algorithm, FP growth, Euclid, examples market basket analysis. See dimensional reduction like feature extraction, principal component analysis, feature selection, wrapper, filter, embedded method. An example analysis of written text and DNA microarray data. And reinforcement learning, state and action, a model free Q learning, policy optimization.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Then these are the machine learning approaches I have explained already. Various techniques, regression, like regression trees, Bayesian networks, Fuzzy classification, artificial neural networks, etc. Then these are the various approaches of supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning, real-time decisions, in AI, tasks, skill acquisition, robot navigation. So this is about learning reinforcement learning.